Everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I unrolled my first snail roll, which are the what? Lima beans? No, I don't know. What did I unroll? Let's see. Oh, the Royal Burgundy bush beans. I got these from Sammy Joe. So I didn't get a lot of sprouts, and I think it was too tight. I think I rolled it too tight. I'm not sure because I planted quite a few. So I've got one. That one was trying to come. 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5. So I put up my trellises and I'm going to put these in the ground. I'll put the lima beans on the outside. Well, over here. So I got 5. I'm going to start the first one here, I guess. 1. And then I'm going to space them about, I don't know how many inches that is, about 12 inches apart. So, yeah, I have nothing in here. I'm just going to use that soil and put it in the garden. A lot of roots. It looks pretty good. Hopefully, the weather is good enough for them to survive out here. And then I think what I'll do, I think I'll put seeds in between since I only got 5 of these. It's not down deep enough. Oh, I'm messing with the roots too much. Hold on. There we go. Go down like that. 1. Looking pretty good. Two more. And I put some worm castings and some blood meal in this soil. And I've been treating it with coffee grounds, eggshells, and different amendments for the past couple months. Whoop whoop, okay. Now I'm down. Got a worm, y'all. I got a worm. Yeah, I'll pick it up with my glove. Get right back in there. And then I'm just going to take this soil and bring it on over here. Put it around the base of each one. Okay, wish me luck. I'm just gonna put some of this cocoa coir, maybe cocoa coir that I had in the house. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that around it. I'm gonna go ahead and water those in. After, I'm gonna go ahead and plant my lima beans, and then I have some peas. And then I'll water everything in and hope that they live. And then I'm gonna take some seeds. Is that succession planting? Take some seeds and plant them in between or on the other side, depending on how much room the green beans and the peas take up. Peace and love, y'all. Happy growing. Grow with me so that I can grow with you. Toodles. Hit that thumbs up, please, and thank you.